Hey guys, Enrique here from Lumina Tech, and I am here back today with the Razer Anansi MMO gaming keyboard review. So for around $100, is this the best MMO gaming keyboard you could get? The Razer MMO gaming keyboard's packaging is really nice with a lot of typical Razer branding all over the place. On the front and on the sides is where you're going to see most of the Razer branding, but on the back is where you're going to get a full detailed spec list of the Razer keyboard and some of the external features featured on the keyboard. So going on inside to the box is where you're going to be greeted by another box that has the Razer keyboard packaged in it. The Razer keyboard was packaged in some plastic wrap and some foam surrounding it, and just under that was some of the instructions and quick start guide and some of the stickers which I already used. So here we're going to be taking a look at all the keys on the keyboard. So all the keys are programmable through the Razer Synapse software, and on the left side you're going to see 5 extra macro keys, and just under at the bottom right center under the spacebar you're going to see 7 more keys that are easily accessible by the thumb, and you could reprogram them for any game that you really play through the Razer Synapse software. So this is a really nice feature to see on the keyboard. Alright, so here we're going to be doing a quick sound test on all the keys on the keyboard. So the Razer Anansi MMO gaming keyboard does have Rgb backlighting, which is also configurable by the Razer Synapse software. So this is nice if you want to match it to your setups or something. So the Razer Anansi MMO gaming keyboard is a really nice MMO gaming keyboard with a lot of added functionality. But I want to know what you guys think about the keyboard, so leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this keyboard personally. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.